Hi guys, previous year questions are always important if you are preparing for any examination. And why this is so? Because by analyzing previous year questions, you get to know a lot of important things. Like for example, what are the important topics mentioned in the syllabus? What kind of questions are asked from that particular topic? What is the depth of the question from that particular topic, etc, etc. So that is why if you are a serious aspirant of any examination, you have to analyze the previous year questions thoroughly. Right, referring previous year question is mandatory for you if you are a serious aspirant. So that is why we have brought for you the previous year questions of SEBI Grade A Legal examination. And why this is so? Because you know very well 25 vacancies have been announced by the SEBI for SEBI Grade A Legal 2023 examination, and the phase 1 will be conducted on 5th August. Which means you have hardly 40 days in your hand, and in these 40 days, best strategy should be you have to refer the previous year questions, right? So from where you will get the previous year question? You will get the PYQs from the link given in the description box below. So we have brought for you the previous year questions of 2022 and the 2020 of paper 2. Paper 2 means the legal paper, the core paper of your examination, right? So you will get both paper 2 of phase 1 and phase 2 and paper 2 of both phase 1 and phase 2 of 2020 and 2022. So you have to go to the link given in the description box below and you have to download the previous year question. And guys, you are not supposed to download it only, rather you have to refer it on a regular basis so that you will get to know the important things from the previous year question itself. And guys, those who are planning to prepare for this examination but they feel that they have very less time, so guys, we have launched for you 2 important courses which you can see here: live crash course and test series. Right, so these 2 courses have been launched by us. So if you want to know about this course, so guys, here is the brief. You can see that in the test series you will get chapter wise test, you will get sectional test, as well as the full length mock test for both phase 1 and phase 2 for all the components. It can be quant, reasoning, English, GA, paper 2, descriptive English, everything. Right, if I talk about live crash course, so in the live crash course you will get all the features of test series that we have mentioned. Along with that, you will get 60 plus live classes for both phase 1 and phase 2. For GA, quant, reasoning, English, paper 2, descriptive English, more than 60 plus classes will be provided to you as a part of live crash course. And along with that, very important thing, that is one-to-one mentor support will be given to you. Right, so guys, if you want to avail this course, so guys, you can check the link given in the description box below. There you will get to know a very good offer that we are running at this point of time, but that is very limited, right? So if you want to avail the offer, you can refer the link given in the description box below and you can prepare for this examination. Thank you very much.